The town is called Hamm, Hamm, and it's near a river. It's not even on the river, but I'd say maybe half a mile or a little bit over, and you get to a railroad station. And but the name of that little village is called Hamm. It's composed of a lot of little houses whose owners have also been there for a long time. They were mostly German that lived there. I don't know whether it's still that way today, but it might be that it is. A lot of them just settled there forever.
So can you describe the business that your family was in?
Yeah, they were in the business of raising cows, and they had chickens, cows, and 2 horses. And they would use the milk for home consumption, such as buttermilk, and so forth. And they would sell a little bit here wherever they could, not that much, but they did, to help in the sustenance of the home. The house that I grew up in, we have pictures of it maybe. I'm sure we do. But well, it's about a 3-story house that I lived in, and it wasn't fancy, but it was a nice house. Manure pile was right along the side of the house, and the cows were in a stall just a little bit further away, but not very far. And the manure pile was a very important part of that, because that's what they had equipment to dispense that, and they used it a lot, and they bought additional manure from neighboring farmers. They would say the cow urine, it had a lot of nitrogen in it, and so they were very happy to have that. Made a difference in the amount of growth. Well, they would utilize the manure, and we had a wagon that would disperse the manure. It would go around, and just a little wagon. I mean, not little, but not huge. And they would take it to the pasture and utilize it for manure. For the grass would actually grow better having that, nurture it. And the urine the same way. But a lot of Jewish people were in that business, especially in my family. My father, my uncle, my grandfather, both grandfathers were in that business. There was some Hebrew spoken, but very little. But even between the cattle dealers.
They spoke Hebrew?
Well, they used a lot of Hebrew words.